Yo, what's up, guys? Mikey Guiter is back with another episode of Lesson. Glad to meet you guys today. Please, I want to shout out a very big thanks to all my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Okay, I want to say thank you very much for subscribing to this channel. Okay, thank you very much. I do appreciate. Thanks for all your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for the shares, and I really appreciate. Okay, thank you, really do appreciate. And I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a New Year in advance. The very best year so far. We're gonna move from higher level to higher level, from grace to grace. Okay. So I want to say thank you very much. And if it's the first time you're watching my video, there's a subscribe button there. I would like you to hit on that subscribe button so you get notified each time I post a new video on this channel. Okay, for this channel I post mostly links and more beneficial lessons that are going to help you in your music field. Okay, so guys, I want us to interact, okay, on this video and in any of my videos that you've watched so far, okay, that you have been having in your lead guitar playing and you feel like you want to share it down. Okay, I will encourage you put it down in the comment section below. Okay, so I get notified and I walk through the videos for you guys. Okay, so because by next year we're going to come up with new videos. Okay, so let's interact. If you have any issues, anything you want to know, okay, I advise you to drop it in the comment section. Okay, guys, so for today I don't want to waste much of your time. Okay, I just say let me drop this video before the year rounds out. Okay, so you guys can watch it and benefit. Okay, so by next year we're going to go in with a new series of lessons, okay, that will help you as well. So my guys, I really appreciate once again for all you supported me so far, the new subscribers and the old subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. I do really appreciate. Okay, so for today I want to give you simple leads. Okay, I want to show you how to play over worship songs. I want to show you how to play over worship songs, and I believe with these little guidelines you'll be able to solo over worship songs, okay, in your church or anywhere you find yourself. Okay, so I'd like you to watch this video to the end so you don't miss any part of anything I'm going to play or anything I'm going to show you. Okay, so guys, let's move into the video. hear what I just played there. You can hear everything I just played. So uh, I'm going to explain what I just played to you guys, so you understand the secret about soloing when it comes to worship section is not just about playing up and down, playing up and down. You know, songs like that. You play it a kind of interacting. You interact with the singer. Okay, you interact with the music. Okay, to bring out more harmonies to the music, to bring out more melody to the music. Okay, so the song I just played there was the Champions, okay, written by Nathan Nebasi. Nathan Nebasi, for those that are in Nigeria, and many of you know Nathan Nebasi. So the song is the Champions. I believe many of you might know the song. So one thing you need to know about soloing over a worship songs like that, you know, is interacting with the singer, okay, playing along the way he's singing the song, okay. Like the first thing I was playing, the song was in the key of G sharp, and this is the key of G sharp, okay. The first thing I was playing there was trying to play the intro with him, okay. You re la so do re mi re, okay. Okay, okay. The first thing I was trying to do was playing the intro song along with him. Okay. Now when he started singing, I come before. Now I went to the mute, and this is the key of G again on the third string. So I went to the mute. I was muting the song, play along with him. Okay. I come before. We're going to song now. Re, mi. Okay. So mi, re, do. Okay. So I was playing along with him. Okay. So one thing you need to know is when you are on a stage playing a worship song, okay, maybe your church, you need to understand that you need to play along with the singer, the way the singer is playing the song. When he's calming down, you calm down with him. When he's playing, when he's going to the pitch, you pitch along with him. Like when he was the champion, I came to this place and play. Okay, play something like that. Okay. So what I was playing there was Sami. Okay, Sami, Sola, Re, Mi. Okay. But I was sliding it, okay, to bring more harmonies, okay. Okay. To bring more harmonies to what I'm playing, okay. Then I play something like this. Okay. I play something like that. So all these licks I made it in one of my videos, so I'm gonna drop the video on the screen so that you go and watch the video, the licks, okay. So you learn all these licks and apply them in your playing, because I've made all those licks, okay, you can apply in your worship songs. So you go there and watch it. So I believe this lesson might have helped you in one way or other. So I don't want to go more further than this. I just want you to understand what I just played and apply it, okay. If you have any suggestion, or if there is any way you don't understand in this video, I do encourage you put it down in the comment section, okay. So let's talk. Maybe I'll make more of the breakdown of what I just played, okay, what I just played in the video. So I'd like you to drop a comment down below, okay. And if you like the video, you can smash the like button. Smash the like button. If the first time watching this video, hit the like, subscribe button, okay. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss at any time I upload a new video. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. That will be a new year, okay. But if you have any challenges, you can drop it on my WhatsApp number there on the description. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.